Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We've been delighted to acquire this beautiful Suzuki Ignis 1.2 Dualjet CVT automatic SZ5, finished in the rarely available and highly desirable tough khaki metallic. Car was registered 24th of December 21. It's got a full service history. Before it came to us, it was serviced in May 24. We've just carried out another service on the vehicle, and it has done just about 16,000 miles. Great condition. This is the SZ5 version, so it's the highest spec you can get in the Suzuki Ignis range. These are really desirable, these cars, especially in this colour. Really high spec as well. Keyless entry, rear privacy glass, roof rails built in. Just a good vehicle. Features Suzuki's hybrid technology, got 50-50 split rear seats, and really a very generous load area for this size of car. This parcel shelf load area cover comes out. The condition of it on the inside, all the plastics, etc., it's in very good order. Previous owners obviously kept some carpet mats, Suzuki carpet mats. Underneath the floor here you've got the pump kit, etc. Really nice car, this. It will come with 12 months Suzuki approved warranty, including roadside assistance. At TW White & Sons will take any car in part exchange against this wonderful little Ignis SZ5. We'll be as competitive as any of the online companies that those that wish to buy your car. We will be as competitive as they are, whilst offering you, the customer, outstanding levels of customer service. It really is. It's superb specification. As I said, keyless entry, keyless start. You've got this black cloth, very hard wearing interior. Car features electric windows all round, electric door mirrors. Sitting inside the vehicle, first bank of switches, you come to a traction control, engine stop start button. Just start this, actually, automatic. So brilliant around town and absolutely brilliant on the motorway as well. (15,939 miles. So you got the tachometer on the left hand side. In the centre you've got speedometer. On the right hand side you've got fuel gauge, mile readout, and mileometer rather, gear selector indicator, instant fuel economy readout, outside temperature reading, and the clock, where in fact we're 5:05 now. It's an hour on from there. Over here we've got, you can reset trip meter and change elements of the display. So if I press this info button, you can see you're looking at different elements of the display: average speed, driving time, because it's got stop start system, features Suzuki's hybrid technology. If I keep my button then on this info button, we can get involved in the vehicle's sub menu, where you can adjust how you read the distance in units, how the fuel economy is read, fuel reset, temperature, how that's read, clock setting, door lock, lights, guide me light, oil change, tyre pressure monitoring service, display item, default, and back button takes us back to where we want to go. Just turn on the lights here, gives us a bit of better view of the multifunction steering wheel. The info button is also there, as well as there, which changes that display. You got mute button, mode for the stereo, volume, etc. Down here, integrated Bluetooth with voice control. Over here, cruise control. And beyond here, you've got the wipers, front and rear, concentrated all on that right-hand stalk. Left-hand side, you've got lights and indicators with auto headlamp facility. You've got paddle shift control for the automatic gearbox, nicely illuminated. Suzuki have thought about the finer details on this car. So you stick it in drive, you can move it up and down the gearbox. Very simple. You've got beyond here cup holders, and on the SZ5 version of this car you've got automatic climate control, so just hit the auto button. It will, according to the internal temperature of the vehicle, what temperature you got the car set, it will adjust the fan speeds, which it's doing now, and it will adjust the positioning where you want the air to go. Adjust the temperature there, still on auto. If you want to take it off auto, just adjust the fan. It'll take it off the automatic. But climate control, auto climate control, demist, heated rear window, where you want the air to go, the mode button, and it's self-explanatory. You can see it changing the display. Air conditioning button, recirc button, or taking air from the outside in. And down beneath here below, I don't know if you can see this, you got 4 elements I want to show you when this camera bothers to get in focus. 12-volt power socketry, USB socketry, you've got a smart city brake support system there, and lane departure warning down below. Auto gearbox, handbrake, etc. And this wonderful Suzuki in-car entertainment system, which is brilliant. So it's touch screen. If you want, you got DAB radio. You can preset 6 presets per waveband. If you go into the cog button on each of the sources, you can get stuff like sound settings, bass, treble, fader, balance, equalizer set presets, and speed dependent volume control. That adjusts the volume to compensate for any road or engine noise. Back to the radio there, home screen, satellite navigation, confirm it. That's what the map looks like. Back there, you put in your address, town or postcode. Back here, points of interest nearby. Let's say I want to find banking and business, take some money out of a teller machine, press that. Comes up with a range of options where the nearest teller machine is, highlight which you want to go to, execute the command, and the nav will help you get there. Sub menu, route options, guidance and map settings, position and GPS information, my points of interest, geo coordinate format, some sort of thing to do with degrees. But this button here, the cog button on each source, will take you into the sub menu. Home screen, integrated Bluetooth with voice control. Again, press that. You can go into the sub menu, display incoming text message, use phone ringtone, order the phone book. Home screen, this is the useful thing. Just attach your phone with a USB and you get majority of your icons come up on screen. So Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you will be able to interact with things like Waze navigation, which is a brilliant sat-nav program. I'm sure a lot of you have seen it. It will warn you of stopped vehicles, speed cameras. It will warn you. It will take you the fastest route to where you want to go to. It's very clear. It interacts with the vehicle's voice system. Very, very good. Spotify, if you subscribe to Spotify, you'll be able to get access to all those songs up here. Your phone book, Google Maps, everything really. But a very good system. Again, sub menu. Back to the home screen. If I press this cog again, you can go into this menu overview for the whole system. Really, really good. Into reverse. Sorry about the view out the back, by the way. You've got parking camera. But a really well put together. These are very, very desirable at the moment. This colour is a wanted colour, so I don't imagine this car will be remaining in stock for too long. As I said, we'll take any vehicle against it in part exchange. Automatic gearbox adds to the desirability of this car. Engine stop start button, very straightforward, and you've got the peace of mind of having a Suzuki warranty with this car, parts and labour. As I say, we've done the service. We've given it a 101 point used car check where we've checked everything. Tyre tread depths, brake pads and discs, vehicle's electrical systems, wipers, everything. If you want to find out more about this totally unique Suzuki Ignis SZ5 automatic, finished in tough khaki metallic, please go onto our website, which is www.twwhitesons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.